Hey, I'm here to compare two popular authentication libraries for Next.js, Lucia Auth and NextAuth, also known as Auth.js. In just a few minutes, I'll explain what each one does, compare their strengths, and help you decide which is best for your project. Let's dive in. First, we have Lucia Auth. It's a lightweight open source library focused on simplicity and flexibility. It handles session management and works with any TypeScript server or framework like Next.js. You get simple functions like create user and create session cookie, giving you full control to build custom auth flows. It supports email, password, and zero auth. Requires a database for sessions and needs more manual setup like creating your own AI endpoints. It's great for developers who want a minimalist, type-safe solution. Now, NextAuth, or Auth.js. This is a mature, feature-rich library designed for Next.js. It offers built-in providers for zero-auth services like Google and GitHub, plus JWT-based sessions. It abstracts much of the auth complexity, making setup quick with pre-built sign-in pages and hooks like use session. However, it's more opinionated, discourages email password auth due to security concerns, and can be tricky for custom logic. So, how do they compare? Lucia Auth shines for simplicity and flexibility. It's easier to customize, supports email password auth, and is lighter on code, but it requires more setup. NextAuth is faster to implement for zero auth and has broader features, but it's less flexible and complex for custom flows. If you need a quick zero auth setup, go with NextAuth. For custom logic or email password auth, Lucia is your pick. That's it, guys. Check out our comparison chart below to see the differences at a glance. And yeah, both are great, but your project's needs will decide the winner. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.